Nubia Z40 Pro, a flagship phone from Nubia, 144Hz fast refresh rate display, next generation flagship processor, Sony IMX787 large camera sensor, curvature design, super fast wired and wireless charging support and many more. Today I will show you unboxing of the Nubia Z40 Pro and give you my first impression. Hey guys, Maiky from the Tech Maiky. Please consider subscribing and turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. So let's waste no more time. The box is black. It says Nubia Z40. You can see on the top. On the back there are a storage and RAM information. Okay, let's slice this open and lift. First up is the phone with branding on the top of the plastic wrap. That's the red color type C to C cable. Next up in this box, the phone case. I always love when they're included in the box, but there is no power adapter in the box. Let's talk about the design and build. But first let's peel off the plastic so that we can take a close look at the phone. The design Z40 Pro has not changed much, same as like Z30 Pro, and it is still square and round design. The back of the Nubia Z40 Pro uses a Starlight AG glass back. The Starlight AG process not only maintains the texture of the original AG glass but also maintain a skin-friendly, comfortable and the non-sticky fingerprint through a special coating. The biggest change in the design of the Z40 Pro is the design of the camera. The custom Sony IMX787 is engraved with a red border around it with the window design of the black mirror. It looks quite professional in the camera. This design is indeed the finishing touch. The Nubia Z40 Pro measures 8.4 mm in the thickness and the device does not feel too bulky in the hand as the sides are curved. It also tips a scale at 199 grams which is much lighter than some of the flagship phones. Now let's talk about the display. As a 6.67 inch large screen mobile phone thanks to its large curvature screen and the back cover design. The front of the Nubia Z40 Pro is AMOLED flexible screen with the resolution of Full HD Plus, which supports a refresh rate of up to 144Hz. Among the current flagship phones, 144Hz really stands out. It supports a 4-speed adjustment 144, 120, 90 and 60Hz. It can open to 144Hz 360Hz touch sampling rate during a game to improve the game experience. In daily use, it can be opened to 90Hz, taking into the account smoothness and the power saving. Now let's talk about the Nubia Z40 Pro performance. After all, Nubia is brother of the Red Magic gaming phone and it is never doubt in performance and heat dissipation. The Z40 Pro is equipped with the 2022 standard Android flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset with the LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. According to the Nubia officials, the Z40 Pro uses a new aerospace grade micro nano cavity graphene phase that reduces the temperature of the phone and optimizes the heat dissipation of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. The Antutu V9 version has running score of 10,11,941 points, which is about 20% higher than the Z30 Pro. The performance is quite good. In Android batch, which tests the performance of the flash memory's running score is shown in the figure compared with the previous generation. The speed has been greatly improved and it is fast in the most UFS 3.1 mobile phones. The Nubia Z40 Pro performed equally well in high-end gaming, maintained the high frame rate and the average frame rate is also steady. Now let's talk about the camera. Its main camera is a customized Sony IMX787 35mm humanistic main camera. Compared with the 26mm wide-angle lens, the composition is cleaner and the picture is purer. And the photo taken are more story-like. The f1.6 large aperture ensures the sufficient light in the shooting scene and the image is brighter and clearer. In addition, it is equipped with a 50 megapixel wide-angle and 8 megapixel periscope telephoto, of which the main camera and the telephoto support OIS optical image stabilization, which can achieve a shooting at all focal lengths. The actual image is also true. The main camera image quality of the Z40 Pro is good and the color is quite restored to the naked eye, not too rich and the colorful, and the resolution also maintain a relatively good level. At 35mm, a focal length commonly used in the humanistic photography, the performance will be even better. The image quality of the ultra wide angle during the day is also very good. The distortion is well controlled and the color is not much different from the main camera. You can also use a 8 megapixel telephoto when shooting ultra far objects. With the blessing of the OIS optical image stabilization, the film output rate is good. Of course, limited by the sensor area, the image quality cannot be compared with the other two cameras. In addition, this telephoto can also be used as a macro lens. Last year, Nubia released the Starry Sky Star Trail shooting function. This year, the Nubia Z40 Pro further integrates the 9 Starry Sky algorithm to bring more starry sky shooting methods. When it comes to the night scene mode, it is advantage of the Nubia Z40 Pro. Thanks to the Nubia's exclusive night shooting algorithm, through AI multi-frame fusion technology, the main camera can also have the good image quality in the low light, even in the extreme low light condition. Long exposure and the multi-frame composition can produce a good result. I have to say that the 35mm focal length of the humanistic lens is really suitable for the street shooting. And you can take out the sense of the scene when you shoot it. Now let's talk about the battery. The battery of the Nubia Z40 Pro is a huge upgrade. This time battery has been increased from 4200 mAh battery of the previous generation to 5000 mAh, and the battery life has been greatly improved. Although the battery is larger, the weight has not changed much, which is not easy. An 80-watt charger will be provided as an additional item at the time of purchase, and also support the 66-watt wireless charging. The Nubia Z40 Pro base variant price in China is around 3,399 yuan. If we converted into the pound, is around 402 pounds, and in dollars is around 538 US dollars. You can buy it in the UK around 500 pounds. You will get the buying link in the description section. If we talk about the conclusion, the attractive looking design, AMOLED display, fast charging, super performance, competitive price. So what you guys think about it? What is the max you pay for the Nubia Z40 Pro? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any question, just comment below and we will answer them soon. Also give the video thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for the more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and we will see you in the next one.